Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Future Phone Flash, your ultimate hotspot for diving into the future of mobile technology. Here, we're all about unboxing the latest gadgets, exploring cutting-edge features, and giving you the insider scoop on what's next in the world of smartphones. So, if you're passionate about staying ahead of the tech curve, you're in the right place. Let's get the excitement rolling and dive into today's tech extravaganza. Great news is on the horizon for Galaxy S24 Ultra users who have been facing issues with their device's display and camera. Samsung, the tech giant from South Korea, has acknowledged these concerns and is gearing up to release an update aimed at addressing them. This update, promising enhancements for the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra models, is expected to roll out later this month, showcasing Samsung's commitment to valuing user feedback and striving to improve user experience. In an effort to refine the viewing experience, Samsung plans to tweak the default screen settings for a more natural look. Moreover, the update will introduce a new vividness option within the display's advanced settings, an addition eagerly awaited by users desiring more vibrant visuals. This forthcoming feature will include a 3-step slider, enabling users to customize their display's vividness to their personal preference. Beyond display improvements, Samsung is also focusing on elevating camera functionality. Although specifics weren't disclosed, the update is set to enhance key camera features, including zoom capabilities, portrait mode, mobile photography, and rear camera video shooting abilities. A significant portion of the update, split into a 1 GB security patch and a substantial 4.5 GB camera performance enhancement, signals major advancements in both display and camera functionalities for the Galaxy S24 devices. With these updates slated to begin rolling out in February, users are encouraged to stay tuned for these exciting enhancements. This anticipation is fueled further by leaks and insights from reliable sources, suggesting that Samsung may also introduce a feature allowing users to adjust their screen's vividness, providing a tailored viewing experience while maintaining Samsung's designed aesthetic. As the community eagerly awaits these updates, there's a buzz of optimism for the resolutions to Bluetooth connectivity issues and other bugs that have persisted from previous models. Samsung's proactive approach in addressing these issues and their openness to user feedback reinforces their dedication to delivering a superior device experience. As the update's rollout approaches, Galaxy S24 Ultra users have every reason to look forward to significant improvements in their device's performance and functionality. If it is worth the wait for my regular viewers, you guys have seen this. So just skip to the next video, but if you're new here, then hit subscribe now. Many Galaxy S24 Ultra users have taken to the comments section of recent videos to share their experiences with the device, highlighting various issues. Prominent TV shared that their Galaxy S24 Ultra overheats during photo sessions. Deep Madaru raised concerns about a panel gap, noting that the device's frame doesn't snugly fit around the display, a disappointment compared to their iPhone 15 Pro. Jimmy wondered if problems like overheating are immediate or develop over time, having only noticed display color issues in his 2 weeks with the device. Venus Enterprises reported significant camera issues on their Galaxy S24 Ultra, including image shift problems and an odd transition in the camera viewer when switching between zoom lenses. Despite efforts to replicate the issue on Samsung store models without success, they suspect a hardware problem, expressing their frustration and demanding a replacement or considering legal action. This sentiment reflects a broader expectation among users for higher performance and reliability from flagship devices. Abid Singh mentioned an issue with the always-on display not functioning, while Cameron Joseph cited concerns about the battery and 25W wall charger overheating during data transfer from the S23 Ultra. After contacting customer service, Joseph was advised to return the device for a refund, highlighting a lack of prior mentions of such issues in YouTube reviews. Robert Pack described encountering problems when drawing continuous lines with the S Pen, with certain screen areas causing broken lines. They plan to test if a screen protector affects this issue. The Handsome Do Music reported that the object eraser feature is not working correctly on the S24 Ultra, leaving behind artifacts and blurry images, a problem not present on the S23 Ultra. Prue expressed dissatisfaction with a faded display and low-light camera issues, noting that extensive communication with Samsung's service center and customer support has yet to resolve these issues. Returning the S24 is particularly challenging in India, with a replacement more likely than a refund. These user comments underline a range of concerns, from display and camera issues to specific feature problems like the object eraser and always-on display. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has been reported to exhibit a green line display issue, reminiscent of a similar problem that affected the Galaxy S20 series years ago. Users have reported seeing a thin green or sometimes white line on their screens, an issue that persists despite attempts to reset the device to factory settings. Samsung's response to these issues has been criticized for not being swift or reassuring enough, especially for early adopters of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The company's advice for users to seek remedies through carriers like T-Mobile, when purchases were made directly from Samsung, has added to the frustration. The lack of an official statement from Samsung on these matters has left some users concerned about the device's quality and the effectiveness of customer service. What are your thoughts on these developments with the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Last month marked the much-anticipated launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, a lineup that promised to push the boundaries of mobile technology and user experience. However, the excitement was soon overshadowed by a wave of user complaints regarding display quality and camera performance. In response, Samsung has confirmed an impending update aimed at addressing these issues, reaffirming its commitment to user satisfaction and continuous improvement. Shortly after the release of the Galaxy S24 series, forums and social media platforms began buzzing with feedback from users. Many reported dissatisfaction with the display and photo quality, citing issues that ranged from unnatural color reproduction to poor low-light camera performance. These concerns were not isolated to a single model but spanned the entire series, including the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. In a move to quell user concerns, Samsung announced a comprehensive update for the Galaxy S24 series. This forthcoming update, scheduled for rollout later this month, is a testament to Samsung's dedication to its user base. By listening to feedback and acting upon it, Samsung aims to enhance the user experience significantly, focusing on both hardware and software improvements. The update promises to address the core issues highlighted by users. Thanks for tuning in to Future Phone Flash. We hope you enjoyed today's tech journey as much as we did. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future tech flashes. Your support fuels our passion for tech, and we can't wait to bring you more thrilling updates from the smartphone universe. Until next time, keep flashing forward into the future of tech.